Hi you guys, here is my grocery haul for this week. Just picked up everything from Walmart. I was really under budget this week and that makes me excited. $167 for everything that we're gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next 7 days. I have my meal plan written out also that I'll share with you, but let me share with you all the groceries that I got from Walmart in my pickup. I even got some Ziploc bags also besides some groceries, which I love doing that in my grocery pickup. So I have the Ziploc bags, and we always do lots of chicken recipes. We're gonna do smash burgers. So I got some ground beef, our favorite chicken apple salsa, ground turkey, of course. We get a lot of some taco seasoning. I got 2 things of almond milk. We like this one. It's the unsweetened and vanilla. It's only 30 calories per serving. So this one's really great. Our whole milk. My kids haven't been having a ton of cereal lately, and so I've just been getting a small milk lately. I got this lemon yogurt, and it's gonna be for a cake that I'm making. I made it last week and it was so delicious. I have some lemon cake mix, and then you just add in this lemon yogurt and some water, and it is really, really good. Some other yogurt, the Too Good brand yogurt is our favorite. Only 2 grams of sugar per serving, which we love because there's so much added sugar in so many things, especially yogurt. So we love this one. Edamame, one of our favorite veggies, snacks, sides, everything. We eat it all the time. Some lettuce, some zucchini and squash, carrots. We love snacking on carrots. Some shredded Fiesta blend cheese. I love this stuff. It is so good. The ultimate Southwest blend is just frozen veggies, super convenient. I added into a ton of different things. Riced cauliflower. I'm going to be doing some burrito bowls, and I'm going to use the riced cauliflower instead of regular rice, and it's going to be delicious. This California style vegetable mix, I got it a couple weeks ago and wasn't quite sure how it was going to be, but we really liked it. So I got another one to have in the freezer. It's just very convenient. So I have a bunch of peppers. I'm going to do some stuffed peppers this week. I'm going to do them in the crock pot. So stay tuned for that video. It's going to be an awesome video. Stuffed peppers in the crock pot. I have a bunch of apples here. We go through a ton of apples. Tortillas for quesadillas. My kids love quesadillas. Okay, back here I have a lot of canned goods. I cleaned out the pantry last week and I organized it and wanted to get all back and stocked up on the things that we use a lot. So have tomato paste, lots of tuna. We love tuna. Diced green chilies. I always need these in the pantry. Lots of beans. I've been doing a lot of different chilies lately and they've been all so good. So I want to make sure I always have lots of beans. Black beans, Great Northern beans, Rotel, kidney beans, more black beans, and corn as well. So stocking up the pantry with all of our favorites there. I got this Walden Farms Chipotle Ranch dressing. It is 0 carbs, 0 calories, fat-free. I am really excited to try this. I will definitely let you know how it goes. One night we're gonna do a Southwest chicken salad for dinner, so I'm gonna use that dressing and I will keep you posted on how it is. Our favorite green salsa, I use this in so many different things. I was really craving pineapple, but I didn't want to have to cut a pineapple, so I got a can of the pineapple chunks. Here is the lemon cake that I'm going to make with the lemon yogurt. It is really good. I made it last week, so definitely going to be making it again soon. Oatmeal. My kids have been really into oatmeal lately, so I get this big box. And then they've also been liking this granola as snacks as well. So this is French vanilla almond granola. Really good. Pretzels, another snack food. We go through a lot of snacks. This Lipton onion soup mix. This is good in so many different things and something that I wanted to have in the pantry because we were all out. Cherries. Cherries are so good right now. Lots of bananas. We go through a ton of bananas, like a lot of bananas. Strawberries. I got some sweet potatoes. I'm going to do taco stuffed sweet potatoes. Cantaloupe. I got a cantaloupe last week and it was so good. Like, it was really delicious. So hopefully this one is as good. Avocado, some buns because we're going to do smash burgers. So that is everything for the groceries. let me show you the meal plan really quickly here in my meal planning book that I absolutely love. I have been using this for like almost a month now, and I just love it. It's got these little tabs, so it takes you straight to the week that you're on. I love the color purple. It came in a whole bunch of colors, but purple, I love this one. So I have the meal plan written out. I'm gonna do the crock pot stuffed peppers, burrito bowls, air fryer turkey patties and veggies, Southwest chicken salad. We're gonna do a pizza party this night, and we're gonna do air fryer taco stuffed sweet potatoes, and then air fryer meatloaf. I've been using the air fryer a ton. I did a video a couple weeks ago on 6 new air fryer videos, so make sure you check out that video. And I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul and this week's meal plan of everything that we got. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope you have a great day.